How to replace a Vaniman filter bag. Remove the 2 thumb nuts on the side of the dust collector. Remove the cover. You can use your hands to determine how full the filter bag is. We recommend replacing the bag when it's 50% or more full. To remove the old filter bag, grab the cardboard reinforcement on top and pull down on the front portion first, then the bottom, then back and forth until it is free. To install the new filter bag, slip the back part of the cardboard reinforcement behind the inlet tube and pull the black rubber seal up around it. Look into the top of the inlet tube to make sure that the seal is completely seated. You shouldn't be able to see any part of the seal from this view. Carefully tuck the edges of the filter bag into the filter cavity and replace the cover, gently tightening the thumb nuts. If you have any questions, contact Vaniman at service@vaniman.com or by phone at 760-723-1498.